Hello, in this video, we intend to withdraw the amount that we deposited in the Grand Capital broker using the USDT TRC20 cryptocurrency method. We are going to withdraw it using the same method. The balance is available here in the trading section, and we can see it inside the same account. We select the deposit and withdrawal option.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
In this section, we choose Withdraw Funds. We select the withdrawal method, which is USDT TRC20. We choose it. We select the account from which we want to withdraw. We enter the withdrawal amount, and in this section, we also enter the wallet address to which we want the amount to be transferred. To complete the process, we select the Continue option. We check the withdrawal status, and if everything is correct, we select the Continue option. Our withdrawal request has been registered and is under review. Also, in the Requests section, you can now see the current status of your withdrawal request. You can see the verification status. Also, the balance is still in our account and has not yet been deducted. Additionally, in the Notifications section, we can see the notifications related to the withdrawal request. Our withdrawal request has been registered from our account and will be processed soon. It is usually processed within 2 business days, and in most cases it doesn't take more than a day. Once it's done, the broker will notify you via email. A few hours later, the transaction is successfully completed. You can also see that its status is marked as done. Also, in the trading section, the amount has been deducted from the available balance. We have received the amount in our wallet that was used to fund the account. In future videos, we will cover other deposit and withdrawal methods in Grand Capital Broker with you. Wish you success!
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.